3D printing is no longer just for tech enthusiasts and engineers. It's breaking into the mainstream, and you'll never believe who's leading the charge. From Hollywood icons to Grammy winners, these big names are showing us just how cool 3D printing can be. Let's count down the top 5 celebrities who are reshaping the world of 3D printing. Ready? Let's go. At number 5, we have Felicia Day, the geek queen herself. You probably know her from The Guild or Dr. Horrible's sing-along blog. But did you know she's also a proud 3D printing enthusiast? After promising her daughter a 3D printer for a while, in March of this year she finally snagged a free Bamboo Labs X1 Carbon thanks to the kindness of community member Paul Powers of Thangs. Day is diving headfirst into 3D printing, inspiring parents and makers alike. At number 4, Neil Patrick Harris, yes, Barney Stinson and Doogie Howser MD, and fellow co-star of Felicia Day in Dr. Horrible's sing-along blog, is making waves in the 3D printing community. With a fully equipped workshop, Harris was already a maker at heart. In October of this year, he collaborated with the 3D printing nerd Joel from the 3D printing community to get his new Prusa printer up and running. From props to personal projects, Neil's bringing a little bit of Broadway magic to the makerspace. Coming in at number 3, it's none other than Jay Leno, the past host of The Tonight Show and king of car enthusiasts. Jay's been ahead of the curve, using industrial-grade Stratasys 3D printers since 2015 to craft replacement parts for his incredible collection of classic cars. But that's not all. During the pandemic, Jay turned his garage into a hub for printing masks for first responders. Talk about putting innovation to work. Beam us up to number 2, where we find Will Wheaton. That's right. Wesley Crusher from Star Trek The Next Generation has been into 3D printing since 2013. Will's MakerBot helped him bring his sci-fi ideas to life, and he's been a vocal supporter of 3D printing in STEM education. It's fitting, isn't it? A Starfleet officer championing futuristic tech, and the number 1 celebrity pushing 3D printing into the spotlight. Mark Zuckerberg, the Facebook co-founder, might be a tech billionaire, but in 2022, he turned his attention to 3D printing at home. With help from Emily the engineer, Zuckerberg set up a full suite of printers for his family. It's a reminder that 3D printing isn't just for industries. It's for families, education, and the future. And there you have it. These celebrities aren't just stars on screen or stage. They're showing us how 3D printing can inspire, create, and even change lives. So, did any of these blow your mind? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories from the world of 3D printing. Until next time, keep creating. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Please like and subscribe for more videos on 3D printing.